Here we have a prosection of the right upper extremity. We have a posterior view. Here is the scapula, spine of the scapula, superior angle, inferior angle. The lateral border of the scapula is along here. Spine of the scapula goes into the acromion process here. Let's take the deltoid off so we can better see the rotator cuff muscles. Supra to the spine of the scapula is the supraspinatus. Infra is the infraspinatus. And then we have the teres minor right here. The spine of the scapula has been cut. We'll take the spine of the scapula and the acromion process out of the way. Let's slightly medially rotate the arm at the glenohumeral joint. And we can now see that the supraspinatus attachment is right here on the greater tubercle of the head of the humerus. Coming down, we have the infraspinatus attachment, and we have the teres minor attachment. So these are three of the rotator cuff muscles forming the posterior aspect of the cuff. Now we turn to look at the anterior view. We'll put the acromion and spine of the scapula back. And here we have the subscapularis. It's been cut off of the humerus, but if we look at it back on its attachment, it would be attaching all along the lesser tubercle right here. Here is the lesser tubercle. Here is the bicipital groove. We can see the long head of biceps brachii running through it. And this is the greater tubercle. If we again remove the spine of the scapula and acromion process, we can then see, if we look from up above a bit more, we can then see how the subscapularis would be here. The supraspinatus is here, infraspinatus, teres minor, and the four rotator cuff muscles form a cuff along the head of the humerus across the greater and lesser tubercles.